Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 low FPS issue on PC. So the first method is to update your graphics card. Make sure your graphics cards are updated so go to the search option over here, search for device manager. Now go below and expand display adapters. Here select your graphics card. Now right click on it and click on update driver, and after that click on search automatically for drivers. This will update your drivers for the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if the low FPS issue is fixed or not. Apart from that, I have also provided the link in the description for updating your graphics card, those who have Nvidia and AMD. Just go through it and update your drivers, and after that try to play the game. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So you should check that the graphic settings are properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, graphics quality, anti-aliasing, shadow quality, VSync, etc. These all settings impacts the game, so make sure they are set up as low to avoid unwanted issue while playing the game. Next is to enable game mode. So make sure game mode is enabled. For that, go to settings, then click on gaming from the left sidebar. Now click on game mode over here, and here make sure game mode is enabled. After that try to play the game and see if there is any kind of issue occurring or is resolved. Next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to settings. Go to search option over here. Search for graphic settings. Now here you need to add the game in the list. So in my case, it's already been added. So under GPU preference, you simply need to select high performance, and after that try to play the game. If the game is not listed over here, you simply need to click on add a desktop and then go to the path where your game has been installed, and from there you can easily add it. Apart from this, the next solution is to perform a clean boot. For that, you need to press Windows plus R, and here you need to type msconfig and then click on OK. System configuration will open. Here you need to click on services tab. After that click on hide all Microsoft services, and after that click on disable. Once you disable it, again go to the startup option tab, click on open task manager. From here select the app and simply click on disable option from here. Once done, again go back and click on apply and OK, and after that try to play the game and check if it works. Next is to close all unnecessary background tasks. For that, click on taskbar settings over here. Select task manager, and then under processes tab, make sure to close all those apps which are of no use or consuming high resources. So simply select it one by one and then click on end task, and this will close all the unnecessary background tasks that is going on. Apart from this, some extra tips that is suggested is to defragment hard drive. If you're using an HDD, make sure to defragment it to improve load times and performance. Also suggested to play in full screen mode. Make sure to play in full screen mode rather than windowed or borderless mode, as this performs better. Next is to check monitor temperature. You can go for using tools like HW monitor to make sure your CPU and GPU are not overheating. Apart from this, you should also upgrade hardware. If it's possible, then try to upgrade your RAM, CPU or GPU so that it meets the game's recommended specifications and you can play the game without any lagging or low FPS issue. So these are some suggested solutions to fix the low FPS issue while playing Battlefield 6 game on your PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.